Hi. In this video, we will guide you through the process of adding and activating taxes on invoices. To get started, let's activate taxes on invoices, navigate to Setup and Configuration under the Money section and ensure that taxes are enabled. Now, to add and manage taxes, go to the Invoices settings within the Billing module settings. Once there, click on Taxes. This page allows you to view the list of invoice taxes, add new taxes, or edit existing ones. When adding a new tax, you'll need to specify the tax code and whether it's a standard rate or zero-rated goods. Next, provide a name, specify the percentage, indicate the related account, and provide a description. You can then apply these taxes to billing transactions such as invoices and expenses. For example, when adding an invoice, the system allows you to include taxes at each item level for time entries, expenses, services, or bill items. You can select from the predefined list of taxes or add a new option on the fly. The total tax will be calculated for the specific invoice. You can track detailed tax information in the Invoices grid, with separate columns for total tax, tax applied to services, time entries, and bill items, enhancing reporting accuracy. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.